Academic Study on Academic Earth. 1. Introduction. Academic Earth is one of the pioneering platforms in the open education movement, launched in 2009. It was created to make world-class university education freely accessible to everyone online. The platform aggregates video lectures and courses from top institutions such as MIT, Stanford, Harvard, Yale, and UC Berkeley, providing a structured way to learn across multiple disciplines. 2. Objectives and vision. The core philosophy of Academic Earth is based on the idea that knowledge should be a public good. It seeks to democratize access to higher education, bridge the gap between elite universities and global learners, support lifelong learning without cost barriers. 3. Platform structure and content. Offers hundreds of full university courses and lecture series. Covers disciplines such as business, computer science, engineering, humanities, mathematics, and social sciences. Provides expert-level video lectures, often directly from professors at world-renowned institutions. Some courses link directly to OpenCourseWare, OCW sources. Unlike newer AI-driven platforms, Academic Earth's content is curated and lecture-based, not interactive or adaptive. This makes it ideal for self-paced academic learning and conceptual depth. 4. Benefits for lecturers. Serves as a teaching supplement, allowing educators to share high-quality lecture examples. Useful for curriculum enhancement and flipped classroom models. Promotes academic collaboration by integrating free learning resources into traditional classrooms. 5. Benefits for students. Provides unrestricted access to top-tier university lectures. Ideal for independent learners and those preparing for exams or advanced studies. Enables revision and comparative study between different university curricula. Strengthens understanding through exposure to world-class lecturers. 6. Academic limitations. Limited interactivity, no quizzes or grading systems. Some materials are dated, as the platform relies on older OCW archives. Not a replacement for formal degrees or certifications. 7. Educational impact. Academic Earth significantly contributed to the open education revolution, influencing later platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy. Its legacy lies in its role as a foundation of global open learning, promoting the belief that education should not be confined to classrooms. 8. Conclusion. Academic Earth represents an enduring academic model, knowledge for all. While its interface and course catalog have evolved slowly, its contribution to equitable access to education remains monumental. It serves as both a historical milestone and a continuing resource for learners and educators worldwide.